Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another Zara haul for you today, but I also picked up some goodies from Amazon, Princess Polly, and H&M that I wanted to show you. Just one thing from each store. So with that being said, let's get into it. The first thing that I want to show you is shout out to McKenna. I wanted some earrings that weren't just like basic gold hoops because that's what I wear every single day. So she told me Princess Polly has like fun earrings for a reasonable price. So I first got these ones that just have like a little heart that dangles from them. Then I got this 8-pack of earrings that are just a bunch of just fun hoops, but they have like little things to them. But then they also came with these ones, so you kind of can get like a fun ear candy going. So if you want some fun earrings and you don't want to break the bank, Princess Polly. Then I picked up some hair clips from Amazon, which are very in right now. They're just so easy to just like throw your hair up in, and when you're at like the beach, you can, obviously you take your time and do it, but you just throw your hair up, you can leave your bangs down, you can toss everything up. I keep one attached to like my work bag, that way I can just keep my hair out of my face if I wanted to. But it came with a 4-pack. There was a like bubblegum pink one and it did break. But Amazon did reimburse me for that. So I got this 4-pack of clips for $7 and some change. So almost $8. So you cannot beat that. And then I got a tote bag from H&M. So this is the Dior Dupe tote bag. This was $34.99 and it is perfect. It is nice and big, and I'm sure you have seen this because TikTok went crazy over their last Dior Dupe tote. But we're going on a cruise, so I figured this would be a perfect beach bag and just bag to like haul around our beach towels when we're laying out and like that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna take that with us on our trip. Then I got 2 dresses from Zara. So these are like casual dresses, like everyday dresses. I am going to try to dress them up a little bit when we do go on the cruise. But whenever I'm back home in North Carolina, I'll probably just wear like, a little flat sandal. But this first dress is this black dress. It's a tube top, but it has little skinny spaghetti straps. And then the bottom is kind of like a linen material. It kind of like poofs out, which you'll see whenever I try it on for you. This was $29.90, so not a bad price for a dress. Then this color is the color of the season. Everybody is obsessed with this green color right now. So I also just got this little dress. It's kind of got like a little bra top. The front is kind of like linen material, but then the back is more of like the cotton material. The only thing that I worry about with this dress is it shrinking. So I probably will definitely not try it just because sometimes Zara material like this does shrink. But this is just like a perfect, everyday dress too. And like I said, I think I'm going to wear this with like some lace up heels on the boat to make it more of a dressier dress. But those are all of the things I picked up. So I will go ahead and show you what these dresses look like on. So this is the first dress. Like I said, this is that green one with the bra top. The material is almost like a linen material, but you could wear this with tennis shoes or like a cute little strappy heel. This is what the back looks like, but it's just kind of like a perfect little casual dress. It obviously needs ironed. But I just thought this would be kind of cute, like for a casual dinner on the cruise, or even like if we go out with our friends somewhere. But yeah, I don't know, it's just a cute little everyday dress, I would say. The top is a little bit, you know, revealing, but I think it still is tasteful. So here's the first dress. Here is the second dress. So like I said, it is like that tube top with these skinny little straps. It's like a little bit poofier at the bottom, but I just think that it would be kind of like a perfect everyday dress. And you could grab your little clip, clip your hair up. So if you're like running errands, and then you got your little bag. So, I don't know, let your hair down. I don't know, it's just, I think this dress is like a perfect little everyday dress. And I thought about maybe like wearing like a little lace up heel whenever we're on the boat, and this might be like one of my dinner outfits. But yeah, I don't know, I really like this one. Alrighty guys, that is everything that I got. I just wanted to share with you all of the stuff that I have gotten over the past couple weeks. Like I said, those accessories are kind of just perfect and they were inexpensive. And then these dresses are just perfect for the summertime. I know it's hot, we live in North Carolina, so it is like really hot here. So this black dress is kind of nice because it's not tight to you and it's kind of gives you some air. So, but I'm going to leave a description of all of the items below with the links so it can take you right to it. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and you can hit the little bell at the top and it'll give you a notification of whenever I post a video. So stay tuned because I am going to be doing an Aerie haul. I'm just waiting on my stuff to come in the mail. And then we are also going on a cruise. So I'm going to be doing a pack with me for the cruise. And then we're going to try to vlog since it's going to be a little bit different. Since it's going to be like one of the first boats back out on the water. So I'm really excited, and I'm excited to bring you guys along with that. So thanks for watching.